The top 3 dividend stocks I'm buying in July. Welcome back to another video. I just want to start off by saying thank you for spending a part of your day to come and watch me. And if you haven't, please click that subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this. An awesome thing about these 3 dividend stocks is that they're all paid out monthly. The amount of money you receive from these companies just depend on their dividends and how they're actually performing. So each company has a dividend percentage, so make sure that when you're looking into dividend stocks that you look at these percentages. And I have already a video made about the 3 dividend stocks that I bought for June, so I'm going to link that down below. You can give it a watch. I go over in a bit more detail of why I choose dividend stocks. I also just want to make a disclaimer. I am a beginner and I am just videoing what I am doing. I'm not a financial investor and I'm not telling you to buy these. I'm just showing you why I'm buying these certain stocks. Please just remember that when you get a dividend payout monthly, that they are a lot smaller because that dividend yield that you see, the percent, is annually. So you might get that at the end of the year, but obviously they're in 12-month increments. And just by pure coincidence, I was actually just given a dividend payout by one of the stocks that I'm actually going to talk about in this video. So hopefully you can see it on the screen now. Obviously it was only 10p that I got from that stock, but obviously it's better than nothing. So the first company we are looking to invest in is Main Street Capital, ticker MAIN. Now this is a BDC, which is a business development company. That just simply means they invest or they lend money to smaller privately owned businesses that generate between 10 to 150 million. Now Main has over 180 companies on their portfolio across 50 industries. Now that's very important because it shows a massive diversification in their portfolio. And simply why you want that diversity is because if one sector goes broke, whether it's a housing market or whether it's a banking market or whether it's technology, then that simply means that they have other sectors that might be doing well to help balance out those losses. This company's dividend comes in at just below 8%. A negative with this stock is that simply if a recession comes, which it looks like it could be a strong possibility, then businesses might go broke. If they've loaned a company some money and that company goes broke, then there's no way to get that money back, which in turn affects its overall profit margin. Personally, I see this as a risky stock, but it's one that I have just wanted to invest in as I feel like there is an opportunity for it to grow. On top of that, with just under an 8% dividend. So here's a quick screen grab of how analysts think this stock will do over the next 12 months. They believe it to be a moderate buy with it recording losses over the next 12 months. However, we are looking for that long-term gain. Number 2 on that list is STAG Industrial, ticker STAG. Now this is a real estate investment trust or a REIT with a dividend just below 5%. STAG Industrial owns over 450 properties in the industrial warehouse industry. This is such a huge market because nowadays, with everything that's going on, people are turning to Amazon and online buying and purchasing most of their products from there. And obviously these companies need somewhere to store all the products that they have, and thus in turn makes this a good opportunity. Over 43% of STAG rentals are involved in e-commerce activity. Not only this, they actually have an occupancy rate of around 96 to 97%, which is incredibly high. With the e-commerce booming and a high occupancy rate, it is a fantastic stock to look into. Of course, they just don't invest in the warehouse industrial market, they do invest in office spaces too, so they do have rentals in that area, and obviously with more people working from home, that's an area where they will lose money. So that's just one negative that I have with this stock. So this stock's currently trading at just under $30. It is considered a moderate buy because they predict over the next 12 months that the highest this will be trading at $31. But of course, we're looking at the long-term future. So the third and final stock that I'm investing in July 2020 is Shaw Communications Inc., ticker SJR. Now, this company is a Canadian telecommunications company, and similar to last month's AT&T, this is in a similar position. This company provides telephone, internet, television, and mobile services in Canada. Now, this company has 130 million on their balance sheet in cash with no debt maturities until 2023, which just simply means during this whole pandemic that this company will remain strong. The dividend of Shaw Communications is actually just over 5%, which is a perfect percentage for a dividend stock. Analysts see this as a strong buy. It's currently trading at just under $17, with forecasts and predictions that it's going to increase in value, which also increases our dividend returns. So good news all around. Of course, all of this is done on the app Trading212, and the link will be below in the description box. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below about any stocks that you might be investing in, or if you're on an investment journey too. As well as that, I just want to mention that if you are planning on to invest in any of these stocks, just don't take my advice from this video. Please go do your own research first, because obviously I am not a financial advisor and there is risks with this. And of course, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button down below. It means the world to me. I have just gotten over 100 subscribers, which is awesome, and I hope to keep growing and putting out more content like this. So yeah, please click that subscribe button. If you want to see more content like this, I'm going to link them here and here. So this one is going to be my top 3 dividend stocks in June, and this is how the stock market crash ruined my portfolio. And of course, I will see you in the next video.